Kosovo and Metohija is a very sensitive issue for Serbia. We have tried to provide, in a pragmatic and flexible way, better living conditions for ordinary people living in the province. So far, peace and stability have been preserved primarily due to a constructive position on the part of Serbia. The principled position of Serbia concerning the future of Kosovo and Metohija remains unchanging. We will never recognize, either explicitly or implicitly, its unilateral declaration of independence. This is both a constitutional imperative as well as our moral, historic and, above all, democratic duty. We remain open for talks on all issues and stand ready for compromise solutions, as evidenced in the past course of the dialogue between Belgrade and Pristina. An arrangement of regional representation cooperation has been made in the dialogue, ensuring contribution of all and an asymmetric representation of the Pristina delegation. Serbia demonstrated a constructive approach, goodwill and initiative, which were often not met with an appropriate response by the other party, nor were they